नमस्कार। 72औं गणतन्त्र दिवस समारोहमा उपस्थित सम्पूर्ण महानुभावलाई हामी आयोजक समितिको तर्फबाट हार्दिक स्वागत अनि न्यानो अभिवादन जनाउँदछौँ। अबको क्रममा हामी केही बेरमा नै यस संस्थाको प्राङ्गणमा हाम्रा आजका प्रमुख अतिथि विशिष्ट अतिथिगणहरूको आगमन हुन लागिरहेको छ। तसर्थ सम्पूर्ण कन्टिन्जेन्टहरूलाई तयारी भएर बसिदिनु हुन हामी विनम्र अनुरोध गर्दछौँ। र हामीमाझ दार्जिलिङका जिल्ला शासक महोदय श्रीमान शशाङ्क सेठज्यू आइएएस को आगमन भइसकेको छ। जिल्ला शासक महोदय को बाहुलीबाट राष्ट्रिय ध्वज उत्तोलन।
राष्ट्रीय सलूट सलामी देगा। राष्ट्रीय सलूट सलामी सस्त। श्रीमान 72वां गणतंत्र दिवस पर आपके निरीक्षण के लिए अलाइनमेंट में खड़े हैं श्रीमान। श्रीमान हर्ष फायर का अनुमति चाहता हूं श्रीमान।
Thank you. 1947, on this very day, our constitution came into force and our country became a republic. In our country, Republic Day is no less than a festival. The whole country, regardless of caste, creed and religion, celebrates it with enthusiasm and joy. On this day, India adopted the ideals of socialism, secularism and democracy. Our constitution guarantees each and every citizen of this country justice, liberty, equality, and also promotes among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of our country. Let us also take this opportunity today for a moment to remember our freedom fighters. It is only because of their sacrifices that we are born and living our lives in an independent country. We should strive to follow their teachings and never ever take our freedom for granted. It is our duty to vigilantly guard the rights provided in our constitution and also follow dutifully all the enshrined duties. From our district administration side, we have taken a lot of development projects in various sectors, whether it be health, education, infrastructure. A number of schemes have been rolled out. We will continue to strive to do better and take all these activities to make lives better. Once again, I greet you on this auspicious day, a very, very happy Republic Day. Let us all, as a community, get together and make efforts to take our country forward to even greater heights. आज को दिन को निम्ति मेरा सबै जिलावासी हरूलाई फेरि एकपल्ट हार्दिक शुभकामना व्यक्त गर्दछु। धन्यवाद। जय हिन्द।
Firstly, I extend my warm greetings to all of you, wonderful people, on this so special occasion of 72nd Republic Day of our glorious and vibrant country. The essence of celebrating the Republic Day is to make our democracy stronger with each passing day. Democracy for me implies only one thing: power rests with the people. And in Darjeeling and everywhere in India, we have proved it in the last 7 decades, emerging stronger than ever before. While wishing you, each of you, I also want to highlight some of the good work and achievement of my wonderful department of 5,000 odd personnel of Darjeeling Police. Like the historic and beautiful district of Darjeeling, the Darjeeling Police also comes with its own legacy that you have seen before and shall keep witnessing in future as well. The last year has been very difficult for us because of COVID pandemic, and in COVID all the departments including police have done very well job. We had 7th edition of Darjeeling Hill Marathon held last year, which was very successful, where 2,500 registrations were there and they participated in Hill Marathon very joyfully. Even 81 years old mother of Milind Soman ran the route, which was filled up with local Samaj and NGOs to cheer up and ensure their energy level intact. We have launched Darjeeling Police Khel Utsav 2021 and successfully completed the football tournament, in which 225 teams, including the female 30 teams, participated in that. And that boosted the players as well as game in our area. On the birth anniversary of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, we have launched the Darjeeling Police Khel Utsav 2021 volleyball, and the registration is going on in the PS. It is continuing. We have started the Tenzing Norgay e-Prashikshan also, this platform which connects with the students to their dream job opportunity and bridge any gap of guidance and preparation from us. Guidance for all exams from constable to clerk to civil services being provided by the police at PS level, with 20 nodal officers providing the expert guidance to them. We had targeted 1,500 students for that, but with amazing response, now presently 4,500 students they have registered in this Tenzing Norgay Prashikshan program. Every monthly we are holding a master parade of Darjeeling Police in our Darjeeling Police line. We are also giving this training to civic volunteers, to sub-inspector in Darjeeling Police line. Annual sports meet was held in 2020 on 18th and 19th December in Darjeeling Police line also. A wellness center has been started in police line to give a mental toughness to the police personnel. We have started ambulance service at Mirik and Hasidewa to cater the emergencies of our people who get minor or major accidents on the roads during traveling. We have started like sexual harassment of workplace at women at workplace. For that, we are restructured our internal complaint committee at police station level also, and asked also private and public organization also for the same. In the last 3 months, we have recovered and handed over more than 100 mobile phones to the owners who have lost their phones. I am also proud to announce that we have started 7 new traffic guards: Sukiya Pokri, Sonada, Garidura and Sukna Naxalbari, Karibari, Vidhannagar. And it makes the total of 12 traffic guards for the Darjeeling whole district. You know the Honorable CM Madam's Safe Drive Save Life program. It is very famous all over India, and we are giving our efforts. Our traffic personnel are also giving in the morning time the water and the tea to the traveling drivers on the roads also, to avoid the accidents during the night and morning times also. Finally, to conclude, I would like to say, as India and we as Indians march forward, we at Darjeeling Police remain committed to engaging the entire community of Darjeeling to build a secure and prosperous future for ourselves, making Hamro Darjeeling, Ramro Darjeeling. I once again convey my heartiest Republic Day greetings to all of you and extend my best wishes for your bright future. Thank you. Jai Hind.
श्रीमान, परेड को मंच से गुजरने की अनुमति चाहता हूं। श्रीमान, तीन में दाहिना चलेगा, दाहिना बढ़।
दार्जिलिङ पुलिस सशस्त्र बाहिनीलाई अगुवाई गर्नुभएको छ प्लाटुन कमान्डर दिपेन्द्र मोक्तान आला। राष्ट्रिय ध्वजलाई सलामी भेट गरिनुभएको छ डाइरेक्ट कमान्डर दिपेन्द्र मोक्तान अनि प्लाटुन कमान्डर अमर सिंह राईद्वारा। दार्जिलिङ पुलिस सशस्त्र बाहिनी महिला बाहिनीलाई अगुवाई गर्नुभएको छ यसलाई किशोर प्रधान। राष्ट्रिय ध्वजलाई सलामी भेट ओमकार बाहिनीलाई अगुवाई गर्नुभएको छ यसलाई पूर्ण राज। राष्ट्रिय ध्वजलाई सलामी भेट सिभिक कन्टिजेन्टलाई अगुवाई गर्नुभएको छ एसआई योगेन्द्र तामाङ। राष्ट्रिय ध्वजलाई सलामी प्रदान पाँचौं बेङ्गल बटालियन ग्रुप हेडक्वार्टरद्वारा वाइस समूहलाई अगुवाई गर्नुभएको छ सिनियर अंडर अफिसर निखिल छेत्री। यसरी नै दल समूहलाई अगुवाई गर्नुभएको छ सिनियर अंडर अफिसर अञ्जली छेत्री। राष्ट्रिय ध्वजलाई सलामी प्रदान एनसीसीद्वारा पाँचौं बटालियन।
सबैलाई चाहियो नि।
रामकृष्ण शिक्षा परिषद हायर सेकेन्डरी स्कुल एनसीसी जसको अगुवाई गर्नुभएको छ अभिषेक थामी। राष्ट्रिय ध्वजलाई सलामी भेट सिभिल डिफेन्सलाई अगुवाई गर्नुभएको छ सुजित गुरुङ। राष्ट्रिय ध्वजलाई सलामी प्रदान सिभिल डिफेन्सद्वारा। दार्जिलिङ पुलिसका ब्रास ब्यान्ड टोली अघि बढिरहनु भएको छ, उहाँलाई अगुवाई गर्नुभएको छ एएसआई महेन्द्र घतानी। राष्ट्रिय ध्वजलाई सलामी प्रदान पाइप ब्यान्डलाई अगुवाई गरिनुभएको छ श्री वसन्त थापा। दार्जिलिङ पुलिस पाइप ब्यान्ड। भारत शंकर, उहाँको मोबाइल हराएको थियो अर्थात् कसैले चोरी गरेको थियो, तर पुलिस बलले ती चोरलाई कहीँ कतैबाट झिकेर भए पनि उहाँको आज मोबाइल पाएको छ र उहाँ आज धेरै खुसी हुनुहुन्छ आफ्नो मोबाइल पाए बापत। तर उहाँले के गर्नुभयो भने मोबाइल हराएर उहाँ त्यसै बस्नु भएन, उहाँले पुलिसमा कम्प्लेन गर्नुभयो। उसै गरी अर्का व्यक्ति हुनुहुन्छ श्री अनिल थापा, हरिदास हट्टा, अनिल थापा, सुभाष छेत्री, हरसिंह हट्टा, सुभाष छेत्री, डाक्टर प्रभात प्रधान, डाक्टर प्रभात प्रधानजीको पनि मोबाइल हराएको थियो। उसै गरी प्रशान्त थामी, भुटिया बस्ती प्रशान्त थामी, उहाँको पनि मोबाइल हराएको थियो अर्थात् कसैले चोरी गरेको थियो र पुलिस बलद्वारा ती मोबाइल जफ्त गरेर उहाँलाई आज फिर्ता गरिदिनु भएको छ। उसै गरी अमित राई, गंगा मुखिया, अमित राई, गंगा मुखिया, प्रमिला गुरुङ, सावित्री छेत्री, अंजु थापा, रुदन राई, सचिन राई, पासन तामाङ, रेशमा तामाङ, प्रवेश सुब्बा, सन्तोष रसाइली,